Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today I will be following up on my previous video. I'll be showing you how to configure a Mikrotik router. So let's do that. What you need to do, go to mikrotik.com. The address is here. Then go to software. After opening software, you will find upgrading RouterOS. Down here, you'll find the WinBox. So you come here and select it. Then you will download your Windows architecture. If it is 64, download 64 or 32. Mikrotik routers, they are not. You can set them using the normal 192.168.1.1 on address bar, that address, or 192.168.0.1 like in the other routers. They are configured using WinBox. So go ahead and download. I have already downloaded. So after install, when you install it, this is the WinBox, and on top here you will find your login details. The username will be admin and the password will be blank. Your router will appear here. So if it doesn't appear, you can go ahead and refresh. So go ahead and select it and connect. So when you connect, you will see the first page is here. So you can either change your password, which obviously it doesn't come with the password, so you just insert a new one or set a new one and then change it. For now, I will not change it. So after that, come here to quick set. Then on here, just come here on a drop down, then go to home IP. So here is when you configure your internet here on this side, and you configure your wireless internet, that is Wi-Fi here. So you can set your connection either static, or you can leave it as automatic. So here, that is the first one, static, when you don't need to use the DHCP, and this one you can use your DHCP here. So I will just leave mine like with the automatic setting. So here you will come here and set your Wi-Fi name. So let me put my channel name, that is Flavian Hub. Then here we have Wi-Fi password. You can set your Wi-Fi password. Let me set it. Then after setting it, you come ahead here and set, you say apply, then you say okay. So guys, after that is just a simple one. As you can see, we have changed it. So if you come ahead and connect any device, let me connect a device, then I will show you. If you connect the device, out will appear. So guys, if you come ahead and connect like any device or like Wi-Fi, when you connect it, it will come ahead and show you here. As you can see, I have connected my phone, and this it is showing you here. So any device which you connect to your router will show you here, so that you can manage it. And if you don't want it, you can go ahead and remove it. So guys, this router is very nice, and you can manage. We have a lot of things you can manage here, and we have the one which I like most is this radius. This radius, you can, when you configure it, is where you can manage other devices, other routers which are on your device, and you can allocate each and how you want them to receive their data. This one I like it the most. So guys, this router is very nice to use. It's very manageable, and you can manage a lot of things here. So guys, this is the end of my video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you have any question, and I will catch you on my next one.